Hello everyone, welcome to Beauty Attraction. Today I am going to tell you about the natural anti-aging skin treatments. Let's get started. Cleanse with honey. A wonder food packed with skin revitalizing antioxidants, honey also contains antibacterial properties, making it a gentle, affordable, everyday cleanser. It can even aid in treating mild breakouts. Ageless with avocado. To remain supple, your skin requires vitamins just like your body. Avocados are nature's version of a one-stop nutrient shop, packed full of vitamins A, B, D, and E. They are richer in potassium and contain healthy fats, making them an ideal all-natural moisturizer. Avocados also help minimize signs of aging, like fine lines and wrinkles. The natural oils in avocado even remove dirt and are also a great treatment option for red spots and sensitive skin. Apply the papaya. Thanks to its high content of carotene, vitamin C, and essential minerals, papaya is a natural exfoliant and moisturizer. Regular use can even help lighten the skin, minimizing the appearance of age spots. Papaya also opens pores, leaving skin feeling soft and with a healthy glow. Thank you for watching Beauty Attraction. Do subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for more updates.